Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode of Let's Look Inside, we're going to check out the Dukes of Hazzard General Lee Dodge Charger from MPC 125th scale. So let's look inside. Alright, so we've got a nice box art in there. General Lee jumping. The two actors, I can't think of the names, but in Dukes of Hazzard. Grew up with this show, loved the show. Grew up one of these shows anyway. So we've got nice, that's actually beautiful, that is. That's nice. Nice angle, that. So you got Dukes of Hazzard. Just same box art there. It's the front, yep. Same picture, but in back view. And same there on the back there. It's just these views and just general information. So let's look inside. So we've got decals. We'll open up these more as we go. We've got chrome parts. Got those parts there. Got the body work, tires, some of the lights that come out, instructions, booklet and card. We'll check that out later. Some of these I brought brand new. I opened up ages ago looking inside before I started the channel, so that's why some of these are open. Got the body, which is quite nice. Looks nice smooth. Part there very fragile, be careful on that. Inside. 1969 Dodge Charger, copyright Chrysler LLC 2009. So that's quite an old model. Although 2009 it could be, doesn't mean that's the year's made, so that looks nice. You got the interior, you got some flash in there, that's easy to get rid of. Interior back seats are already molded in. You got front seat console and that. Now, the doors, they never open the doors in the series I know of. I don't know whether the doors, I think the doors could be open, but they just never used them. But then there's the chassis, if you like call it, want a better word. That looks like they may, actually might be part of it. Fuel tank and that, so that's quite nice. Beautiful, nice and white, so paint up nice orange. Here's the glass. I won't take it out of the back. Oh, actually I've already opened it, so I might as well. Front window and back window. So it's just the two, there's no side windows, and I don't think they ever wound the windows up, which why would they? Yeah, because they get inside. That'd be interesting to ever wind them up when it rained. So this is a couple of backlights. Actually, this is the backlights there, just 1, 2. You can see it there. So it's just those two there. The rest behind there is just these extra stuff. So I'll put that in there with the light, the glass. Here's the 4 tires. They are rubberish type plastic. So they feel rubber. So it's a soft plastic or rubber. So I'm pretty sure the rubber. So that's the 4 tires. They look quite nice. You got tread on there. Some branding name on there. It's hard to see. You got 2 front seats. The firewall. The back axle and exhaust pipe. It's all in one piece. Looks like it might be a bit skewed there. Looks like it might be a bit, should be something like that, I guess. So I guess when you put it together, it'll go in the correct spot. Although it's bent there, but then I realize that one's kind of bent as well. So they probably bent correct. It's just off to one side. You got the front wheel hubs, brakes if you like to call them. Not too sure what they are. Bits and pieces of the car. Looks like in the engine compartment. You got the bonnet, dash panel, the dashboard, steering wheel, other parts. Looks like might be internal engine. Actually, it might be interior, actually, because it looks like, feels like it's, this way it's textured. Feels like there's like a material inside the car. Right, here's the engine. You got the engine block, exhaust pipes, fan. The other bits and pieces, battery. Roll bar, looks like part of the roll cage. Rest of the roll cage. Looks like, too sure it might be the part that goes turns the back wheel. I can't think of the name of it. Underneath goes from the engine to the back back axle. Can't think of the name of it. Oh, that's front bumper. Cool. Here's the chrome parts. You got the engine block cover. You got the Charger logo there. The rims, front grille. Looks like light front. Actually, might be back bumper. Oh, back bumper. Sorry, front grille and bumpers in one. Bits and pieces. That's nicely chromed. Yeah, the decals. So one, General Lee, the flag that goes on top of the roof, and the rest there just copyright stuff. But it's virtually just, that's all there is, just General Lee. That goes on top, General Lee goes inside, and they go on the door. Pretty much all the transfers you need, I guess. Here's the instructions. Important to read, normal stuff. Put the wheels together. Ah, that's what those pins were. The front wheel, okay. Rear. Yeah, front, I think it's front wheels. Then putting the engine block together. Optional. You can put that in optional. I'm not too sure what it is, but then put the front wheels on. Oh, yep, that is front wheel. Okay, and the other one's got a metal axle. Put the engine block in. Put interior and the roll cages. Front seat and that. Stuff on the glass and exterior stuff around the front bumper, grills and that. And then you put it all together and you got the finished product. There's something that came with it. I don't know if it's still active, this thing, but so I've had this model quite a few years. So these ones I always like to look at. So there you go, 2011, 2012. So it's 10 years ago. Wow. I've had that long. So you got study. Got just different models there. Some of these probably still available, some probably not. Maybe new moldings. They look interesting. Roadrunner. Oh, Wally Cody. Roadrunner. That'd be interesting ones to get if still got. Don't think I've got any of these. These are screw together ones. Quite fun. Different trucks and trailers. Kenworth, White Boss Road. White Road Boss, I mean. White Freightliner. This Batmobile, that is my favourite car of all time. There's a lot of cars that are like Kit, Dukes of Hazzard, Ghostbusters, and Munsters. I got that one, but don't have that one yet. That one's hard to get now. But the Batmobile, that's a one model. Now, I don't really see that in the kit form. I see it in like when you like a screw together one, but never seen in plastic kit. Batboat, that'd be cool to get too. Star Trek, more Star Trek, and then just other looks like tins or something. So yeah. So that's a let's look inside of the Dukes of Hazzard General Lee Dodge Charger. If you enjoyed that look, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed. Leave comments below. If you've got a model you want me to check out, and I'm open to, I will. Got a heap of models up there I need to do. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. And remember, thank you very much.